Hi folks, I'm Raymond. That's Mr. Know-It-All, aka. Let me tell you something. Saws are very important in the woodworking business and they're very dangerous. I'm going to show you some correct uses and two different types, all based on a blade moving back and forth, not going around and around. This is the reciprocating saw systems. This is a jigsaw. This is a multi-purpose, multi-directional saw for cutting wood. You can cut heavy metal with it, light metal. You can do a lot of things with this heavy saw here. Now, they're all 110 volt, and that means that you have to have an electrical source for them. I'm going to step around on that side of the table, and I'm going to take a piece of wood, and I'm going to clamp it down, and I'm going to cut it off, and I'm going to show you how this saw works. Pretty quick demonstration on this. Again, we're going to clamp it down solid. Don't want anything moving. Alright. This has a heavy tooth blade in it. And it's for cutting things like oak, ash, pallets, crates, heavy boxes, cutting down an old house. Now this goes just like this. We started up here high. I'm going to hold it back here. Now, it does that pretty quick. We took that right off in a pretty straight line there and got it pretty close to where it belonged right up here. So we did a good straight line. You straighten that up real easy. Now, slide it out here a little further and show you what this other form of reciprocating saw. Reciprocating means going back and forth. Go back and forth and up and down. All you do is change one from vertical to horizontal. Let's unplug this one. And let's grab this one. Now all these tools you see here are high quality tools. This is made by DeWalt. This is a Porter cable. Good electric saw is a very important product. Get rid of that cord. Go to this one. Now we're going to take and cut another hole using this. All right. We're going to start right here in this hole right there. And go very gently. Get a little better position here. Now, in a unique shape, turned in a unique piece position with saw. These are very handy and you can't have a good tool shop without one. So remember, you want to use them safely, use clamps, wear glasses, protect yourself at all times. That's the way we start. If you go to the blog, you'll find a lot more and we'll be showing them how to use them in real time. Thanks for coming.